Dan Winkler Knives at Custom Knife Show, California, 2013. And this is Dan Winkler. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine.
I'm Stuart. Can't help but notice your knives, and I've seen them in some periodicals here, but I think most folks are probably relatively familiar with your merchandise, you might say, your tools. But just have a couple quick questions for you. When did you get started in knives?
I actually started making knives just out of high school in the mid-70s. Went full-time into knife making as a bladesmith in 1988. Became a master smith in 93 with ABS. We did custom, one-of-a-kind forged pieces from 88 up until about 7 years ago, when at that time I was contacted by some members of some military special operation teams. They wanted some help with some development of some products they needed and didn't have on the market, so we set up a limited production company, which is Winkler Knives 2, which is what we're representing here today.
Winkler Knives 2, Roman numeral 2, as indicated on your sign. And these were guys, obviously, that had the semi-private credit cards to be able to buy some of their own gear.
Exactly. We've worked with them in development of some knives and axes, as well as we not only provide to the units, we do some DoD contract work and also a lot of individual sales, both to the military personnel, law enforcement, and the general public.
Okay, very good. Now, if you have it available here, what was your? Do you have your first design that you did here available?
Probably our most popular is what we call our belt knife. That is a very similar design that we developed for some of the Naval Special Warfare teams. It's our most popular piece. It comes in a variety of handle materials and handle configurations as far as the materials and the finish on the handles. That's probably our number one piece, and that's basically where we started with the knives. The axes are a little different. There were some specific combat breaching axe designs that we did, and then kind of branched off from there with some hybrid designs that offered a little bit more, a little friendlier to the user than some of the ones we started off with.
Right, and I'm a little more familiar with your axes. Now, this handle material is rather tacky.
What are you using? Recycled tires. It's where they take polyester ply tires, grind them up, reform them into cutting mats, and then I use that and cut the handles on them. Makes for a real good, secure grip, either wet or dry.
Yeah, as I could tell there, obviously it's difficult to put that on camera, the tackiness and the grippiness, but very nice. And this being a full tang.
We do a full taper tang. Some of our models have a skeletonized tang rather than taper. Just depends on the knife and what the primary purpose is.
Yeah, I like that. That's very nice. And it's recycled, so you're a bit of an ecologist as well.
Hey, gotta go green.
There you go, baby. Hey, green shirt, green table, and green all the way. What, if anything, is new for you?
Well, for the past year, instead of developing new products, we've been working on our manufacturing methods and gaining efficiency and quality in those areas. So we're going to start adding some new products probably starting next year. A couple new knife designs and axe designs you'll see coming out here in the coming months.
Very good. Do you plan to attend SHOT Show?
We'll be at the SHOT Show, but not as exhibitors. I go there to meet with some of our clients and customers, and we have private meetings there.
Okay, well maybe we'll have a chance to touch base there then too.
All right, great.
Quick question, what's your favorite recreational beverage?
I'm a Scotch man myself. I like single malt Scotches.
Lagavulin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Cigars?
Not into the cigars.
Okay, well maybe we'll strike you up on at SHOT Show and see if we can get you interested in those too. A nice Maduro always goes good with a single malt.
All right.
Beautiful. Well, Dan, it was a pleasure to meet you.
All right, thanks.
Good luck.